Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana 11.2 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. First, open any web browser, then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Click on Docs, Getting Started with Grafana. See, Grafana helps us to collect, correlate and visualize data with beautiful dashboards. The open source data visualization and monitoring solution that drives informed decisions, enhance system performance and streamline troubleshooting. Okay, we have two methods to install Grafana. One by using apt repository and another by using .debian package. Click on this setup, then click on install Grafana. Click on Debian or Ubuntu. Scroll down. See here, these are the commands used to install Grafana using apt repository. If you scroll down, see here we can also download the dot, and this is the location. Right click, open link in new tab. This method is by using .debian package. First here we have to select the version. 11.2.0 is the latest stable version. Then select the edition. See here we have the Enterprise or OSS. We are using Enterprise. Then scroll down. See, these are the commands used to install Grafana Enterprise 11.2 on Ubuntu or Debian. Okay. Open terminal. Copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Now we are going to download .debian package by using this wget command. Copy this one. Copy it. Go to terminal. Ctrl L. Paste it. Hit enter. See, it is downloading Grafana Enterprise version number 11.2 and its size is 122 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, we have successfully downloaded .debian package. So let us install by running the command sudo dp kg-i. See, here also command is sent. Then give this name. Right click, copy, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Grafana. See, it added system user Grafana and it added new user Grafana with the group Grafana. Then see here, not starting installation, please execute following statements to configure Grafana to start automatically using system D. Okay, so we have to run these commands. The first one is it is going to load daemon. Okay, so copy this one. Now verify the Grafana status. Sudo systemctl status Grafana server. See, Grafana service is not started and it is disabled. So to quit, first we have to enable Grafana, then we have to start the Grafana service. Grafana server service. Okay. So sudo systemctl start enable Grafana, give the tab to autofill Grafana-server, hit enter. We have enabled. Let us verify again. See, service is enabled. Q to quit. Now start the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl start Grafana-server, hit enter. Now verify the status of Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server, hit enter. See, Grafana is running and it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit. Now go to browser, then give the localhost port number 300 and hit enter. The default username for Grafana is admin and password also same admin. Hit enter. See, now it is asking us to update the password. It is up to you. So I'm going to update the password for this admin account. Okay. Click on submit. Never. Okay. See, we have successfully installed and connected to Grafana. See, this is the Grafana home page. If you want to see dashboards, you have to click on here. If you want to create connections, you have to click on here. Okay. See, these are the data sources. I have installed MySQL and PostgreSQL on this machine. So configure PostgreSQL as data connection. Click on PostgreSQL. If you want to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Click on it. Click on add new data source. See, this is the name. You can change also. I am not going to change. Then parameters. See, host URL. Okay, see, it has given the example. If it is installed on this machine, then you have to give localhost :5432. If it is installed on some ABC host, you have to give ABC 5432. Okay, 5432 is the host for the PostgreSQL. 5432. Then database name. Let me connect to PostgreSQL. Open new tab. Sudo system C. Sudo su Postgres /l. See, I have these many databases, so I'm going to connect to this after schools. This is the database name after schools. Username Postgres. Provide the password of the user Postgres. If you scroll down, see here, click on save and test. See, database connection success. This is done. Now click on data sources. Now click on connections. Click on OK. See, we have one data connection. Now click on add new data connection. This time we will connect to MySQL. Type MySQL. See, I don't have MySQL, so data sources. Add new data source. Then search for MariaDB. Okay, we don't have MariaDB, but we can use MySQL for the same, because I have installed MariaDB on my machine. So click on MySQL, then provide name as MariaDB, Grafana, then localhost, port number for MariaDB or MySQL is 3306. Let me connect. So, MariaDB -u root -p, and provide the password of this root account. Show databases. See, I have here also R2Schools database. Okay, provide the database name as R2Schools. Provide username root. Provide the password for this root user. Click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now go to data sources. See here, one more database connection is there. Data source. If you click on build data dashboard, you will get the options. Okay, like add visualization, add library panel, import dashboard, and we have different options. Okay, see here we have the row import line, same options also. The last step is ls remove this Grafana Debian package. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana 11.2 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. For more Grafana or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.